In this video, I'll show you how to create a refund in Shopify directly from Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Let's get started. First, let's import an order. Go to the Overview screen and click Operations. In the Operation Wizard, make sure Import is selected and choose Import Orders as the operation. Here, you'll see the options available for importing orders. You can import orders using an order ID or a date range. Now go to your Shopify store and open any order. I've already opened the order here. Now copy the order ID from the URL. Go back to our ERP and paste the ID here. Now click Process. Once the process is completed, the pop-up closes and you're redirected to the order view. Here, you can see the order. Now open the invoice for this order. To refund an order in Shopify, we first need to create a credit note in Odoo. Once the credit note is created, we can then process the refund in Shopify. So click the Credit Note button. A pop-up will open. Based on your needs, you can fill in the details here. Now click Reverse. The pop-up closes and you're redirected to the credit note. Now confirm this credit note. Once you confirm it, a button called Refund in Shopify becomes visible at the top. Click it. A pop-up will open. Here, you'll find some options that you can set based on your requirements. Here, you can enter the refund amount. Note that you cannot enter an amount less than 0 or more than the total refundable amount. Now, create the payment by clicking here. This payment is refunded in Shopify. Now go to the Shopify store and open this order. The order is already open, so I'll just refresh it. Once the process is completed, the order status changes. Here, you can see the status was changed, and the refund is now reflected on the order. That's how you can create a refund in Shopify directly from Odoo using the TeqStars Shopify Connector. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.